As we follow the road ahead, we're now following the signs for the city centre. So on the roundabout, we're turning left, first exit. Fine, just be careful with the Golf. Sometimes they don't signal or they signal too early or late. Be 100% sure before you come onto the roundabout. But if the roundabout is completely empty, then there is no reason to stop. Lane 2, Roy, you could have easily just got it in at lane 2 and gone. They're both going in the same direction. So if you was turning left and it was safe for you to move into lane on the right, could have gone round him, no problem. As long as you make sure it's safe, you look in your mirrors and you're making progress, it's fine. Doing, you need to do it now. It's getting later. It's getting later. Look in your right door mirror. You're going to get boxed in a few seconds. When you watch the video, Roy, I'll send you a link to it, okay? You'll see when I told you to do a lane change. Immediately when you recognize there is a problem for you, immediately move out. The closer you get, the harder it is for you to change lanes. Let's do it now. That's it. That's proactive driving, okay? At the roundabout, go ahead, second exit. Remember this roundabout, I'm going to discuss this with you, okay? Good. Well done. Good. Look at what point they would change direction. It's easy to see. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Yeah, that's right. You need to do it now. That's it. Immediately when you see the problem, immediately you move out. Don't waste time, because somebody will come into lane 2, they'll go ahead and you'll end up getting boxed in, and that's your forward planning weak then. So like now we can see the bus. We can see there's something going on. The bus is signalling now. That means the bus will move off. It doesn't mean he's doing a lane change. It means he's moving off. In a second he's going to move into lane 2. There. We're going to stay in this lane. We're going to follow the road down.